Hi, I'm Chris Funk, Senior Product Manager of Innovation here at Zippo. We're known for our world-famous windproof lighter that's made here in the USA, and our team works with an extended network of colleagues on our side to bring different products that we're working on to add to that lighter distribution from Asia. So our teams are using Monday to coordinate with various factories, suppliers, and our teams here back and forth to make sure that everything's being done the way we want it to be done. So our biggest achievement this past year, it was a sales expansion into a large market for us. And we needed to evaluate a large number of SKUs, a total number of products. We had a spreadsheet, basically, with a lot of part numbers and a lot of raw data. We deal in a lot of hazardous products. So there are regulations in shipping and development and testing, and then we have to find out how to make the product compliant for that market. I mean, if we were standing on the Titanic, we were looking into a fog, and we had to try to predict the icebergs and how quickly we were going to get to New York. And we needed to do that fast, but we had never been in this country with some of the products. So we needed to evaluate all of it and then go back upwards to management and say, we think we can actually do this. We were able to take the raw spreadsheet and upload it to a board. And we called that basically a SKU board, basically all the products that needed to be worked on. Then from there, we were able to start understanding, okay, here are the products. What do we have to do to those? And then we built a task board. What you're doing, people assign the tasks, some progress, some dependencies, and a date or a timeline date, whichever one you prefer. We were able to establish that really quickly. Then at the end, we were able to roll it up to a dashboard, show the progress, and we could kind of wrap that all up and explain it back to management. And we were able to get off the ground and running very quickly. We had answers back in days, and we really had the whole thing wrapped up in 5 days. I mean, a good business week. It was a great showcase for a big initiative. And these are the kind of initiatives that are your year maker in certain markets. They move the needle revenue-wise, and it did, and it still is. It's still happening as we speak. So that was probably our biggest accomplishment as a group using Monday for 2020. There are a few things. So we're seeing a bigger expansion in more departments in our company. The creative department is going to start using it. Our executive team is looking at putting their initiatives, and they'll be managing those from there. Our legal department is going to start looking at housing some of their work and information in monday.com as well. Kind of as a closing thought, it's been really interesting. We've been able to show value and unique ways of handling problems so simply, playful and colorful, which is the Monday way. And if we have this discussion again in another 6 months or a year, it's just going to be even bigger. And we can't wait to see what that looks like.